So I'm going to show you one of the coolest features I've ever seen on any drone that I've ever had. I haven't had a lot, but I've had a few, and this is the only drone I've had with this feature. If you've seen this feature before, just let me know in the comments below if you found it useful or not. But if you haven't seen this feature, get ready to get your mind blown. Because up until now, if I wanted to see what was around me, if I wanted to see if there's any obstacles, I had to turn the drone around, take a look around and see what's around me, right? But on this drone, I'm going to show you on my screen here. You see that map down on the bottom left-hand corner? If you just swipe to the side, look at that. Right now it's showing me the ground. If I go forward, it's going to show me the front camera. And if I go side to side, it's going to show me the side cameras. Guys, I've never seen anything that cool in my life. You don't have to spin your drone around. You can keep your shot, and you could always have that activated. And then you can see exactly what's in your way. So did you know about that? Do you use it? Is it useful? Let me know in the comments down below. So let's just watch those vision assist cameras function while I line up my shot here on the river. Isn't this really cool? Like, you can see everything in front of you, everything beside you. And just take a look at the water below me. I can't believe I'm flying over this body of water, but it's cool that you can see everything around you. And I'm going to line up my shot. And there you go, those vision assist cameras. Now I know that's a big wide open area, but that helps just everywhere, guys. If this video is helpful to you in any way, you know, leave a comment below, leave it a like. And as usual, YouTube knows you better than I do, so watch this video here. And until next time, guys, take a look at that water. Scary stuff.